Welcome back, and thank you for joining today's skincare session. In this video, we'll be walking through a complete blackhead removal and deep pore cleansing routine. This process is designed to gently clear clogged pores, remove excess oil, and refresh the skin while maintaining a calm, relaxing experience. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy. Step 1. Clean hands first. Before touching the face, always start by washing your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap. Clean hands help prevent bacteria from spreading to the skin and reduce the risk of irritation or breakouts. Step 2. Gentle facial cleanser. Begin by applying a mild facial cleanser to damp skin. Using slow, circular motions, massage the cleanser across the face for about 1 minute. Focus on the nose, chin, and forehead, where blackheads tend to form most often. This step removes surface dirt, oil, and impurities. Step 3. Warm steam to open pores. Next, allow warm steam to gently surround the face for 5 to 7 minutes. Steam helps open the pores and softens blackheads, making them easier and safer to remove. Keep a comfortable distance and breathe slowly. Step 4. Dry and examine the skin. Gently pat the skin dry with a clean towel. Take a moment to closely examine the pores. Identify visible blackheads or clogged areas, but avoid touching the skin too much. Step 5. Apply a soothing toner. Apply an alcohol-free toner using a cotton pad. This helps cleanse the skin further and prepares the pores for extraction. Allow the toner to absorb fully. Step 6. Careful blackhead extraction. Using a sterilized blackhead removal tool or clean fingers wrapped in tissue, gently apply pressure around the blackhead. Press slowly and evenly. The blackhead should release naturally. Never force it. If it doesn't come out easily, move on to the next area. Step 7. Clean after each extraction. After removing each blackhead, gently wipe the area with toner. This helps keep the skin clean and prevents bacteria from entering the open pore. Continue this process patiently and carefully. Step 8. Cool and calm the skin. Once extraction is complete, apply a cool compress or rinse the face with cool water. This helps close the pores and reduce redness. A slight pink tone is normal and will fade soon. Step 9. Deep cleansing mask. Apply a thin, even layer of a clay or charcoal mask. These masks draw out remaining impurities, absorb excess oil, and help tighten pores. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to dry naturally. Step 10. Gentle mask removal. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water using gentle motions. Avoid scrubbing the skin. Pat dry with a clean towel and notice how smooth and refreshed the skin feels. Step 11. Hydration and moisture. Apply a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Massage it into the skin using upward, gentle strokes. Moisturizing is essential to restore hydration and protect the skin barrier after deep cleansing. Step 12. Final soothing treatment. Finish with a calming serum or aloe vera gel. This helps soothe the skin, reduce redness, and support natural healing. Step 13. Aftercare tips. Avoid touching your face for several hours. Skip heavy makeup for the rest of the day. Drink plenty of water to help your skin stay hydrated and balanced. Step 14. Maintain healthy skin. For best results, repeat this routine once every 1 to 2 weeks. Over-extraction can damage the skin, so always prioritize gentle care and consistency. Step 15. Light toning. Apply a gentle, alcohol-free toner to balance the skin's pH. This refreshes the surface and prepares the pores for deeper care. Step 16. Targeted pore softener. Apply a pore softening solution to stubborn blackhead areas. Allow it to sit for 1 to 2 minutes to loosen remaining debris inside the pores. Step 17. Gentle massage activation. Using your fingertips, perform slow circular massage movements. This encourages circulation and helps release trapped oil naturally. Step 18. Second steam boost. Introduce a short, 2-minute warm steam session. This reopens pores slightly and increases effectiveness for final extractions. Step 19. Controlled extraction review. Only extract blackheads that are clearly ready. Apply gentle pressure and stop immediately if resistance is felt. Step 20. Immediate disinfection. After each extraction, apply toner or antiseptic solution to protect the open pore and prevent irritation. Step 21. Cooling phase. Pause for cooling. Use a cold towel or ice roller to calm the skin and reduce redness. Step 22. Pore tightening serum. Apply a pore tightening serum containing ingredients like niacinamide or witch hazel to refine skin texture. Step 23. Skin barrier support. Massage in a barrier repair serum to strengthen the skin and prevent moisture loss. Step 24. Clay spot treatment. Apply clay mask only to oily or congested areas. This targets excess oil without drying the entire face. Step 25. Rest period. Allow the skin to rest for 5 minutes. This prevents overstimulation and helps maintain balance. Step 26. Gentle rinse. Rinse the treated areas with lukewarm water. Avoid friction or scrubbing. Step 27. Hydration layering. Apply a hydrating essence or toner to replenish moisture lost during cleansing. Step 28. Soothing gel application. Use aloe vera or calming gel to reduce inflammation and comfort the skin. Step 29. Facial massage reset. Perform upward strokes along the jawline and cheeks to relax facial muscles and boost circulation. Step 30. Pore closing mask. Apply a cooling gel mask to help close pores and restore skin temperature. Step 31. Mask removal. Gently remove the mask after 10 minutes. Pat the skin dry with a soft towel. Step 32. Deep moisturization. Apply a lightweight moisturizer using slow, even strokes. Focus on hydration, not heaviness. Step 33. Eye area care. Tap a small amount of eye cream gently around the eyes to reduce dryness and fatigue. Step 34. Skin sealing step. Apply a few drops of facial oil or sealing serum to lock in moisture. Step 35. Final cooling touch. Use a chilled roller or cold spoon to soothe and tighten the skin. Step 36. Skin balance check. Check the skin for redness or sensitivity. Proper balance should feel calm, not tight. Step 37. Breathing pause. Encourage slow breathing to relax facial muscles and complete the ASMR experience. Step 38. Post-treatment hygiene reminder. Avoid touching the face and keep hands clean for the next several hours. Step 39. Lifestyle tip. Stay hydrated and avoid oily foods immediately after treatment to maintain clear pores. Step 40. Routine completion. This completes the blackhead removal and skincare cleaning session. The skin now appears clean, smooth, refreshed, and balanced. Step 41. Final skin inspection. Carefully inspect the skin under soft lighting. The surface should appear clean, calm, and even, with minimal redness. Step 42. Gentle pH balancing mist. Lightly mist the face with a pH balancing facial spray to refresh the skin and lock in moisture. Step 43. Repair serum application. Apply a repair-focused serum containing soothing ingredients like centella or peptides to support healing. Step 44. Slow absorption pause. Allow the serum to absorb naturally for 1 minute. Avoid touching the face during this time. Step 45. Neck and jawline care. Gently massage leftover product into the neck and jawline using upward strokes. Step 46. Protective moisture layer. Apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer to create a protective barrier and prevent moisture loss. Step 47. Lip area hydration. Apply a thin layer of lip balm to prevent dryness after facial cleansing. Step 48. Skin comfort check. Notice how the skin feels. Soft, calm, and hydrated, not tight or irritated. Step 49. Environmental protection advice. Avoid direct sunlight, dust, or pollution for several hours after treatment. Step 51. Makeup avoidance tip. Skip heavy makeup for at least 12 hours to allow pores to breathe and recover. Step 52. Hydration from within. Drink plenty of water to support skin recovery and balance oil production. Step 53. Evening care suggestion. If this routine is done during the day, apply sunscreen before going outside. At night, keep skincare minimal. Thank you for watching this blackhead removal and deep skincare cleaning session. With regular care and patience, your skin can stay clear, smooth, and healthy. Relax, breathe, and enjoy the glow.